The best way to use technology to plan a trip, from flying to booking hotels. There are several ways to use technology to plan a trip, from researching flights to booking hotels. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use technology to plan your trip. Research your destination. Use search engines and travel websites to research your destination. Look for information about the best time to visit, local attractions, and local customs. Use online forums and travel blogs to get insights from other travelers. Book your flight. Use flight comparison websites like Kayak, Skyscanner, and Google Flights to find the best flight deals. These sites allow you to compare prices across multiple airlines and travel dates. Once you find a flight you like, book it directly on the airline's website or through a third-party booking site like Expedia or Orbitz. Find accommodation. There are several websites and apps that can help you find accommodation, such as Booking.com, Airbnb, and TripAdvisor. These sites allow you to filter your search results based on your budget, location, and amenities. Read reviews from other travelers to ensure the accommodation meets your expectations. Plan your activities. Use websites like Viator, Get Your Guide, and Klook to book tours, activities, and experiences in your destination. You can also use Google Maps to plan your itinerary and find local attractions. Pack smart. Use packing apps like PackPoint to create a packing list based on your destination, travel dates, and planned activities. These apps will help you remember all the essentials and avoid overpacking. Stay connected. Make sure you have a mobile data plan that works in your destination or purchase a local SIM card upon arrival. This will allow you to stay connected and use travel apps like Google Maps and translation apps. By following these steps, you can use technology to plan your trip efficiently and make the most of your travel experience.